Hi. So this video has been highly requested. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to make press-on nails for yourself or your clients. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so the main thing you're going to be needing is full well nail tips. And full well nail tips just mean that the tip covers the entire nail bed, and you can find these brands with all different shapes and sizes in the description box. So now I'm going to size the nail, and you want the nail tip to fit from sidewall to sidewall. And if you can see, this one's kind of small. If you're doing this for a customer, I recommend they get a sizing kit first so they can do this process themselves, and then they can have perfectly fitting nails, no problems. So if you can see, this one fits perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. So I'm just gonna go ahead and size the rest of my nails. And this is the first thing I do if I'm working on an order for a customer. I just look at the size that they requested, or if they had custom sizes, I go ahead and get the nail shape that they wanted and get the corresponding nail tip sizes and go on from there. Okay, so once you have all your nail tips out, you're gonna put them on your nail tip stand. Mine's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. And I use poster putty to put my nails on. I got this from the Dollar Tree, so it's really inexpensive and it works really good. So moving magic, we put the poster putty on, and now I'm going to remove the shine from the nails with a nail drill and a sanding band. If you don't have a nail drill, you can just use a file. But you want to file off the shine so the polish adheres better, because it's a little bit of a rough surface. And I'm going to show you how I file. So I put my pinky here for support, and then I start from basically like the top, and I just go in slow, short strokes, nice and slow so I don't F anything up. This is in real time, so this is actually exactly how I do it. No rush, nice, short, smooth strokes. And then flip it over and do the other side. And again, I'm just removing the shine just so the polish adheres better, because gel polish adheres better to a rough surface. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna repeat that with all 10 nails, and moving magic. And now I'm gonna file the ends of the nails, like file them into shape, get them nice and sharp. Because a little tip, if you file and have sharp lines at the beginning, you don't really have to do too much work. At the end, you don't have to do too much finish filing at the end. And the same thing applies if you're doing acrylics. File really good at the beginning and you save so much time at the end. Now I'm wiping off the dust and everything with a lint-free wipe and some gel cleanser. You gotta wear gloves so you don't want contact dermatitis like I had recently. And I'm using the base coat from the Nail Addict. I really like this base coat. I'm almost out, but a base coat just allows your application to be smooth. It makes, look how smooth that is compared. So I'm gonna show you up close. So I'm starting with a rough surface so the gel polish adheres better. And then the base coat is just going to give it a smooth surface, a sticky surface. So your color application is less likely to shrink or peel or have any of those problems. I don't know what it is about a smooth application. So I'm gonna do the same thing with all the nails. And now we're gonna go in with this beautiful color called Perfect Tan. Oh my God, so pretty. Okay, so you're gonna start and do one thin layer of whatever polish color you're doing. And I say thin because if you use like a thick layer, you're just gonna lose that shape that you worked so hard for. So just doing two thin layers, making sure you cover all the nail and just admire the beautiful color for a little bit. And then you're just gonna cure that. Okay, so once you cured your first coat, go in with your second coat. Again, I'm using thin layers because I don't want to lose the shape. And if you use thick layers, you could possibly get wrinkling when you cure it. So that's another reason to use thin coats of polish. And I'm just wiping down the sides so I keep my shape. And I'm wiping under it. I'm really not wiping the sides. I'm wiping under it because I don't want to wipe off the polish that I just did. And wiping under it it still keeps the shape. So there you go. Look at that. It doesn't even need a top coat. It's so shiny and perfect. But you need a top coat. You have to top coat. All right, so now we're gonna get to the best part, which is top coating, and I'm using the top coat from Nail Addict. And if you guys want 45% off your purchase, use code Jazzy, and the link's in the description box as well. Yeah, I'm almost out. So I apply my top coat the same way I apply any other gel polish, just in a smooth, thin layer. Making sure I get the entire surface and then wiping down the sidewalls so I keep that shape. And I'm gonna cure that and repeat with all the other nails. And this top coat does require a cleanse, so I am wiping off the sticky layer with a gel cleanser, and I did the same thing with all the rest of the nails. And this is the final result. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I just showed you guys how to make a basic set of press-on nails from start to finish. These are going to be on my website called Glitterati. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to completely bling out some press-on nails. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.